Okay, good morning, good afternoon. You're trying to get your chuck off your drill. It won't come off. You took your screw out. Great. You went on the internet. You said, damn, how do I get this thing off? You got your Allen key. You got your hammer. You put it in there. You hit it. Didn't come off. You hit it again. Didn't come off. You hit it again. It didn't come off. You try to pull it off. Didn't work. I got one for you. You go to your socket set. You get your Allen key on a socket. You get it in there. And tighten it up. Just like the Allen wrench. Then you get your impact. You get it on the socket side. You hit it on reverse. You hold the two buttons at the same time. So one's going to hold the drill. One's going to impact reverse on the impact. There it is. Comes right off. Like butter. You're welcome.